everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you an easy and fast way to get Mandarin in Heartopia. Mandarin can be collected directly from Mandarin trees that grows naturally on the map. You can find these trees around this area, especially in front of and behind houses. 1, 2, 5 over here, just around these houses. And these three are spread out here, so make sure to look around carefully. And then once you find a mandarin tree, just simply approach it, and then just equip your axe like this, and then just tap on the X icon to chop the tree like this. Like this. And then you will get that mandarin fruit, and usually you can get one mandarin from each tree, so don't forget to check all nearby trees. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.